How to solve USB device not recognized in Windows. What is up everybody? In this tutorial, we're going to see how you can fix if your USB device is not recognized in your PC. So the first thing you want to do is open up your control panel, hit enter. Now from the view by category, make sure you select large icons and then find your power options. From your power options, choose this, change when the computer sleeps. And in most cases, you should see the option to change advanced power settings. From here, you'll find your USB settings. Click on the drop down over here. Now click on the drop down again. And then you'll find here both of these are enabled. Make sure on battery is enabled as well. And then when you're plugged in, it's enabled as well. Click on OK and then close this out. The other thing you can do is right click on the Windows icon and then open up Device Manager. Once you open up your device manager here, find the USB control buses. So go to Universal Serious Bus Controller, right click on the first one, update driver, search automatically, and if it says the best driver is already installed, then you're good to go. Do the same thing for all of the other available devices as well. I'll just go to update driver here, search automatically, and you're good to go. After all of this, what you can do next is simply find a INF file. So you can do that by going over to this PC and then C drive. And from your C drive, find Windows, and then you're going to have to find the folder INF. On the INF, you can just go ahead and search for WM, WP, and then you're going to find DMT file. And among these, you'll find the INF file over here, .inf. Right click on it, and then you'll find the option, show more option, and then you can install it from here. Just select this, right click, and then click on install. Once you do that, the last step is pretty simple. Let's say if you have plugged in your USB stick, so I'll just do that right now. I'll just go ahead and plug one in, and then you can go to this PC or File Explorer. Alright, so I have some files over here. What I can do is go back to this PC. Now I can just go ahead and change its drive assignment or the letter assignment. For that, you can right click on this and then go to disk management. And you'll find this over here. Just right click on the USB stick and then click on change letter, change device letter and path. It's currently E, so I'll just change it over to, let's say, L, and then tap on OK. I click on yes, and then you should be good to go. Now, that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.